Yashita and welcome back to my channel. So अब मेरा favorite time of the year आ चुका है, festive season. ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, autumn और दुर्गा पूजा वाला time. So I quickly wanted to share with you guys a quick makeup routine. ये जो look आप देख रहे हो, I'm gonna show you how to get this look. So I have learned this look from my mom. This is very beginners friendly क्योंकि मुझे भी बहुत basic makeup आता है. So this is something जो बहुत easily आप कर पाओगे. And if you're a beginner, this is really perfect for you. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing how to get this look, keep on watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kar do yaar. Also hit the bell icon and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my base first. So I've already applied my sunscreen, so I'm moving forward to put on some foundation. I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Nude. I know it's a very wrong shade for my skin tone. It's a bit darker, but well, I'm working with it. So what I do is I just gently apply it all over my face, ऐसे dots बना के on my forehead, cheeks, nose, and also neck. And then I'm gonna be blending it using a beauty blender. So usually I just use my hands to blend it, but since I'm making this makeup tutorial and I really want to make it very official for you guys, so it is obviously better to use a beauty blender instead of your hands, because of course it really is good in blending. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So moving on, I'm going to be using this concealer. So I use Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer. I really like this concealer. I use it on an everyday basis. So I use the shade Light, and I think it just covers up for the fact that I use a wrong foundation shade. So I use it under my eyes and also on the parts, where I think I have blemishes and, just dark pigmentation. And then I'm going to again blend it using the beauty blender. So moving on, I'm just gonna quickly highlight my eyebrows. I like to make them dark and bushy, so I'm just using dark shades from an eyeshadow palette, just mixing the black and the dark brown, and yeah, that's it. So moving on, let's start with the eye makeup. I'm using this palette which I borrowed from my mom. This is from Crown. I'm gonna find the link in Amazon and mention it in the description box. So first I'm just highlighting my brow bone using the very lightest shade and just blending it out. I think it really pops up the eyebrows and looks really pretty. So moving on, I'm going to apply a very nude shade, and I'm just going to apply it on my crease line, sort of like cut creasing. This is to just sort of create a base for my makeup. So next I'm going to be doing the same thing but with a shade darker. So I'm just gonna apply it on my crease line और इसको बहुत अच्छे से blend करना है ताकि ये काफ़ी dense look create करे. So next I'm using this rusty, almost copper kind of a shade and applying it on my eyelids and blending it using circular motions. So this is to sort of give a pop of color to this whole look. Now I'm using this dark maroon shade and I'm just going to be applying it on my outer corners of the eyes to sort of give a more smoky kind of a feel to this whole makeup look. I don't like to use black, so that's why I'm using this maroon shade. So I'm using the same shade and applying it on my lower waterline, and I'm starting with the middle and sort of just winging it upwards and merging it with the eye makeup. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but I don't like to use kajal, so I'm just using this maroon shade to sort of create a more dense look. I don't know, I think it looks really pretty. सो सिंस दिस इज़ अ फेस्टिव लुक, मैंने सोचा थोड़ा ब्लिंग तो होना ही चाहिए. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस वेरी प्रिटी गोल्डन शेड. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम मेकअप स्टूडियोज पैलेट. आई थिंक ये मेरी मॉम का कस्टमाइज्ड पैलेट है, तो अगर मुझे ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा तो मैं ज़रूर डालूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. बट आई थिंक गोल्डन शेड बहुत पैलेट्स में होता है, सो दैट वोंट बी अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू गाइज. सो आई एम जस्ट अप्लाइंग इट ऑन द इनर कॉर्नर्स ऑफ माई eyelids एंड ब्लेंडिंग इट वेरी वेल. तो इससे थोड़ा सा शाइन और ब्लिंग आ जाता है मेकअप में, विच आई रियली लाइक. So moving on to my favorite part of doing makeup, which is putting on some mascara. So this one is from Maybelline's and it is called the Colossal Volume Express. I think it's a very nice mascara. It is also waterproof. So I really like to put my mascara nicely because I'm not gonna put any liner or kajal. So this is all that I've got, and yeah, that completes my eye makeup. So next I'm using this mini highlighter palette from Sugar in the shade Royal Rose. Now I've been recently using this product and I really like it. My skin is naturally very oily, so I don't like to put much highlighter on my face. So I'm just using slightly on my cheekbones and tip of my nose and chin, and yeah, that's about it. So next I'm going to use this blush from Kiko Milano. This is their Waterflower Magic and it's a very pretty ombre blush shade, and I just like to put some blush because I really don't like to contour. So I'm just going to put it slightly on my cheeks and that's it. So lastly, I'm just gonna apply some lipstick. I'm using Nykaa's Matte to Last in the shade Bombay, and I really like this lip shade. It is very durable. मतलब 12 घंटे आराम से रह जाता है ये. And I'm just gonna directly apply it. I really don't like to overline my lips or anything, so I don't use a lip liner. So I'm just gonna directly apply this lipstick, and yeah, that's about it. For today's video, I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. और comment section में बताओ ये वीडियो कैसी लगी और कैसी वीडियोस देखनी है आप लोगों को. And yeah, I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.